Hello guys, in today's video we are going to look at how we can add what a payment method to our Facebook advertisement account. Okay, so I'm on my Facebook page. This is my Facebook, a test Facebook account that we are going to use for this tutorial. All right, so the first thing you have to do once you log into your Facebook account is to what, click on the plus button here, which will pop up with some options to go for. Okay, so we have several things here like the post, story, live events, and so we are going to add. So you scroll, you select what the add here, advertisement options here, so you can see add. Okay, so we click on it. It's taking us to the ad manager, ads manager. Okay, we are going to set up the payment method, and that is exactly what we are going to do into this tutorial. So the ads manager is loading up where we can set up the payment method. Sorry, the network is slow, but I think to come. Okay, so this is your ads manager, or we sometimes call it business manager. Okay, so I'm waiting for the page to load completely. Okay, so it has come now. So when you click on that link there, it will take you here where they are going to tell you to start creating your ad. So this is what the Facebook ad dashboard, where you can create your advertisement. But it's not what we are going to do today. We are going to learn how to add a payment methods like PayPal or Visa debit cards to your ad account, so that's what you can pay for advertisement. Okay, so what you have to do when you are on this page is click on this button here, which is what the ads manager. Then to come out with these options like ad manager, billing, audiences, business settings, event manager, and the commerce manager. So we have the Facebook business account manager or business manager. This is where you create several ad accounts. So when you go there, you can set up for several ad accounts. But today we are going to set up the billing method. That is what the payment method. So let's go quickly to the billing, where we can set up the payment method for our ad account. Okay, so this is one of the ad account that we've created. Okay, so the payment page is loading up. Okay, it's taking a little bit of. All right, it has come. So this will show you what the previous billing that has occurred on your account, and also what the current balance that you have. Okay, so since it's a test on your account, we don't have any billing history. Okay, so what you have to do when you are on this page, so click on the payment setting, the gear button here, payment setting. So you are going to set up the payment method where Facebook will be debiting our account for advertisement cost. Okay, all right, so you can see the ad account, the pages, notification, and other things are here, which doesn't matter. We are going to the payment setting. Okay, so it's loading up for us to edit and set it up. Okay, it's taking a time. It's just like the network is a little bit slow, so bear with me. It will come soon. I'm just waiting for it. Okay, all right, it has come. So now the next thing is so it has displayed these things. It has displayed these things. Okay, so payment method. So what you have to do when you are on this page is click on add payment method. Okay, so we are going to add a payment method. It will pop up with some the box that will show us to enter our payment details. All right, it has come. So select a payment method. So we have three types of payment methods here that we can choose from. First one, we have credit or debit card, we have PayPal, and then we have Facebook ad coupon. Okay, so the one you are comfortable with, you can choose it and set it up here. If you are going for credit or debit card, then you enter the name on the card, the card number, the expiry date, that will be the month, and then the year. Then you enter the secret okay, the secret code. This is at the back of your card. As you can see it here, you see for Visa or MasterCard, you can see it at the back, and also for the American Express. You can also see. So when you turn back your card, you could see those the security code there. There are 3-digit numbers. Okay, All right, so when you see enter it, you just click on hot continue. So if you are going for PayPal, you just for select PayPal and continue, where it will take you to your PayPal dashboard, where you can what configure it that what you want to what pay for your advert through PayPal, and it will what accept the terms and condition. Then that is all. And one thing you have to check, so select your country here. Okay, so you have to what select the country. The system automatically will select the country where you are what logging in from. Okay, so this is how you set up, you link your PayPal Visa card to your hot Facebook ad account, advertisement ad account. We have a video about how to create an advert Facebook ads, so we have video on that. Check it on our channel, or hot there will be a suggestion pop-up or a card that will pop up here. You can check it at the top left there, where you can watch that video how to set up your Facebook advertisement. Okay, so that is all for hot how to link a payment method to your Facebook advertisement account. So we thank you. Like this video, comment below, and also share it with your friends and family, and I wish to see you in the next one. Thank you.